and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com has made launching an exchange-traded fund for its native token Cronos a priority this year, highlighting the growing institutionalization of digital assets. According to Crypto.com's 2025 roadmap, the exchange plans to file the ETF submission in the fourth quarter. No other details were provided before its ETF submission. Crypto.com is planning to list stocks, stock options and ETFs on its platform beginning in the first quarter. It's also planning to roll out new banking features, including personal multi-currency accounts and cash savings accounts. One of the most ambitious targets is the release of a new Crypto.com stablecoin by the third quarter. Healthcare tech and software firm Semler Scientific said that it purchased more than $88 million worth of Bitcoin over the past few weeks and was holding a paper gain of over 150%. Semler said in a Feb 4th press release it purchased 871 Bitcoin between January 11th and Feb 3rd for $88.5 million at an average purchase price of $101,616 per BTC. It also reported an aggregate yield of 152% from July 1st, the first full quarter after it adopted its Bitcoin treasury strategy, to Feb 3rd. It noted its yield so far this year was 22%. As of Feb 3rd, Semler held 3,192 BTC, which were acquired for an aggregate of $280 million at an average purchase price of $87,854 per coin. The investment is worth around $313 million at current market prices. Google CEO Sundar Pichai expects his company to invest around $75 billion in capital expenditures in 2025 to boost artificial intelligence offerings. He said the investment would accelerate progress in AI innovation and continue to strengthen the company's core businesses. AI has been one of Google's strongest revenue streams in the last few years, with overall revenue up 12% year-over-year at $96.5 billion. An Ohio lawmaker has introduced a second bill to allow the state to invest in Bitcoin to create a local reserve of the cryptocurrency. Ohio Senate Bill 57, referred to the Financial Institutions, Insurance and Technology Committee on Jan 29th, authorizes the state's treasurer to invest state funds solely into Bitcoin to create an Ohio Bitcoin Reserve Fund. It requires BTC investments to be held at least 5 years and mandates secure custody solutions for holding the asset. The Ohio bill also requires state entities and government agencies to accept crypto for payments, including taxes, fees, fines, and other government charges. It also stipulates that when agencies receive cryptocurrency, they must convert it to Bitcoin and transfer it to the reserve. U.S. Senator Bill Hagerty has introduced a bill to create a regulatory framework for stablecoins that would bring tokens such as Tether and USD Coin under Federal Reserve rules. The Tennessee Republican said in a Feb 4th statement that the stablecoin bill would create a safe and pro-growth regulatory framework that will unleash innovation and advance President Donald Trump's pledge to make the U.S. the world capital of crypto. The Genius stablecoin bill defines stablecoins as digital assets pegged to the US dollar and proposes that issuers with market caps above $10 billion comply with Federal Reserve regulations, while issuers below that threshold would be regulated by the states. Bitdeer has acquired a 101 megawatt site and gas-fired power project in Alberta, Canada, aiming to become a fully vertically integrated Bitcoin miner. A fully vertically integrated miner would mean Bitdeer maintains control of the important components of its Bitcoin mining operations rather than relying on third parties for infrastructure services. The crypto mining firm said the deal gives it control over land, power generation, electrical and data center infrastructure, as well as its Seal Miner A3 mining rigs. Despite its expanding global footprint and Canada site acquisition, its stock has continued to struggle. Its shares have plunged 27.5% over the past month, including a 4.95% drop on Feb 4th, bucking the broader US market rally on the day. Ondo Finance, a leading tokenized real-world asset issuer, has unveiled a new offering to accelerate the onboarding of traditional assets to blockchain technology. Ondo on Tuesday introduced Ondo Global Markets, a platform dedicated to providing on-chain access to stocks, bonds, and exchange-traded funds. The specific details regarding which stocks, bonds, and ETFs will be available is not known yet. Ondo, with a market cap of over $600 million, is already the world's third largest tokenized treasury issuer issuer, according to data source rw.xyz. El Salvador has again stocked up its growing Bitcoin reserve, buying 12 Bitcoin in the last day amid a dip in the crypto markets. The country bought 11 Bitcoins on Feb 4th for just over $1.1 million at an average price of $101,816 per Bitcoin. It later purchased an additional 1 Bitcoin for $99,114, according to the government's Bitcoin office tracker. It brings the Central American country's holding to a total of 6,068 BTC, valued at over $554 million. Bullish Global, which is a subsidiary of Block One and counts billionaire Peter Thiel as an investor, is considering an initial public offering, Bloomberg reported Tuesday, citing anonymous sources. The company could launch its IPO as soon as this year, the sources said. Bullish Global develops financial services for the digital asset sector and operates a cryptocurrency trading platform, according to its website. That's all in this bulletin for now. This is Miruchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3 TV, and for more information stories log on to our website www.3university.io or scan the QR code.